Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Live. My name is Chef Patrice and I'm going to make you a better cook. Yes, we are making a shrimp, sautéed shrimp with the black peppercorn, flambé with cognac. It's going to be beautiful. Also, we are making today red pepper soup. We're going to make it cold, but if you like to eat it hot, by no means, please, keep it hot. We're going to garnish that soup with a little bit of salsa. Then we're going to be making that with the sweet corn. How do you make a vegetable stock? It's a good question. Very simple. You take all your trimmings vegetable. You could have, onions, celery, a little bit of carrots, and then put them in a pot. And just bring it to a boil with some water. Don't put too much water because you're going to lose the flavor of those vegetables. So you want to minimize just to cover those vegetables, and then cook it for half an hour maybe, because vegetables cook fast. And then pass it through a strain, a chinois or something like that. Keep it in the refrigerator. And I'm also going to take the jalapeno and put it on the open flame like this. Let's take that jalapenos and then dice it. We call that a brunoise, small dice. First you do some strips like this. Potatoes look good over here. I'm going to put a lid, just because it'll come to a simmer faster. First you want to peel the shrimp, and I'm going to hold the tail. I'm going to hold the tail like this, and I'm going to peel around the tail. All right, there we go. Mine is already gone. Okay. And the reason why I'm keeping the shell around the tail for two reasons. First of all, because it looks good, and second about the tail is a little bit smaller than the head of the shrimp, so it kind of protects it from overcooking so fast. Okay, do not over blend, because you're gonna lose the color, because you're adding air to the soup. And then I like the color though. And we started with the red pepper and we're finishing with the orange. We're not going to fry it per se, but we're going to put a little bit of canola oil in the pan and then just give a little saute quickly, just like that. And we'll do that in my mini fryer. Just mix it up like this. Tilt the pan a little bit like this. This way the oil falls on the bottom of the pan. Therefore, when you come here, and if one shrimp drop by mistake, you don't get burned. If you were in here, it would have splashed. So you tilt the pan, you put your shrimp. Let's go ahead and put some salt. Let's go ahead and put your black peppercorn. You can put the whole thing. It's a peppercorn dish. You're going to start adding a little bit of butter. Now it's time to add your chopped onions, because we want to make sure they are cooked also. You could add olive oil if you don't want to use too much butter. Let's go ahead and put the thyme. Now let's go ahead and add the garlic. Oh, it does smell good, isn't it? There we go. Parsley goes in also. And that's it, your dish is done. I'm going to turn off the heat. There you go. No cleanup necessary. Don't forget to put that on the shrimp also. Thank you for signing up on this class today. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I hope also that you're going to enjoy your meal. And please be safe, and I'll see you next week on Cooking Live.